Morning. This is Gary from Team Antoine Fishing out here in a lovely morning on the lake. It's a little after, what time is it? A little after 8, so starting out a little late this morning. Just doing some pre-fishing for a tournament upcoming, and should be a good time. We have some weather rolling in today. Should be some rain. It's cloudy, overcast, and a little cool, but the water is about 60 degrees, so either they're going to spawn or they're getting really close to spawn. So should be good jerkbait action again this morning. So let's get to work. There we go. Need to get in the right position, I guess. Not that big a one, but nice. Just gonna float for the pin anyway. Board. There we go. We'll get that working. Yeah, nice little smallmouth there. Not gonna bother weighing him. I think he probably goes pound and a half, maybe something like that. So not a bad start for the day. Yeah. There we go. There we go. First fish of the day. Out the little smallmouth. Maybe a pound and a half. Definitely tournament legal, but not quite what we were looking for just yet. So back you go, buddy.